OnePlus's new budget N-series offering, the OnePlus N6, is expected to drop in India on June 30th, and early unboxing leaks are already giving us a pretty good look at what's coming. Leaker Abhishek Yadav posted some detailed photos on X showing the retail box and accessories for the fresh mint, that greenish color. The phone ships with a pre-applied screen protector and a solid bundle, a 45W SuperVOOC charger, USB-C cable, clear silicone case, SIM ejector tool, and the usual paperwork. It's nice to see the charger still included, something a lot of brands have started skipping to save costs. OnePlus has already teased some of the key specs, and they look like a strong value pick. There's a 50MP main rear camera that can shoot 60 frames per second video, paired with an 8MP front camera in a centered punch hole. The real standout is the massive 8,000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging that should easily deliver multi-day use with plenty of juice left. To keep things cool during longer sessions, it has a big 5,300 Superscript 2 vapor chamber cooling system. Rumors suggest it'll be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6000 series chip, possibly the 6300, 6 GB of RAM, and run Android 16 with OxygenOS 16 out of the box. That combo should handle daily tasks, social media, and light gaming just fine. Pricing is expected to stay under 25,000 Indian rupees, around 232 euros, which would make it one of the most compelling options in this segment, especially with that huge battery. Overall, the N6 feels like OnePlus trying to win back the budget crowd with their new Neo, never off approach, focusing on battery life, smooth performance, and young users who want solid value without compromises. We'll get the full picture, including all variants and exact pricing, on June 30th. So far, the leaks and teasers are painting a pretty promising picture for a budget phone.